Hey there, this is just a quick video illustration of the difference between subject and direct object. Now these two items are both things that we've talked about in our lesson, but it can be a lot easier to understand them if you see them kind of laid out in a sample sentence. So to that end, I have created a sample sentence, and you'll see here that we're missing a couple of items, a subject and an object. Now in a sentence, the role that a noun has really determines what it's going to do and how it's going to function. So here we have the scary something chases the something else. Now if we fill in these two areas, we'll not only have a sentence that makes sense, but you'll see that we can make different sentences that have different sense just by switching around the role of the nouns in the sentence. So let's plug in our first example to see how this works. First I'm going to go with the dog chases the mailman. Very simple sentence, not going to win any awards in the creativity department, but we have here a sentence that illustrates the subject of dog and object of mailman. Now when we put those together, we get this in our heads. Your dog may not have been quite as big when you were imagining it, but I mean, come on, this thing's chasing a mailman. It's pretty big. And here we have the mailman running in terror. This illustrates this sentence with the subject of dog performing the action, chases, on the direct object of mailman. Now if we take those away, we can actually just reverse them. What if we have now the mailman chasing the dog? All we've done is take the object from the previous sentence and change it into the subject role. Right? It's the same noun, nothing's changed there. We've just changed what it does in the sentence. And we've taken the subject from the previous sentence, dog, and now we're making that the direct object. This now means that the mailman, subject, will be performing the action on the object. So go ahead and get that mental picture in your head, and hopefully it looks something like this. So just by switching these two items around, just by changing the role that that noun has in the sentence, we can change what the sentence means and really fundamentally alter what's going on in terms of the action, even though the action itself, chases, has never changed. So I hope you found this helpful, and have a good day.